ball and socket joint, right? So एक ball like structure होती है which is fixed in a cup like structure or cavity or socket, right? This is called ball and socket joint. So this type of arrangement, this type of joints of bones allow movement in all the direction, right? Because ball and socket hai, so it can move in all the direction, forward, backward, as well as upside and downside. ठीक है, side to side, upward, downward, side to side, means it's allow movement in all the direction. This joint between upper arm and shoulder, here you can move shoulder like this, right, in all the direction, दोनों direction में ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. So this is present in upper arm and shoulder is a ball and socket joint. In this joint, basically the head of the humerus, I told you this is the long bone which is called humerus. The humerus end of the humerus, which is like a ball, fits in the socket of the shoulder. ठीक है, I hope this is clear, and diagram I have already given you. This is present in hip also. Hip, if we are talking about the hip bones, so you know that can be moved in all the direction, right? So this is the ball and socket joint. Next come your hinge joint. Hinge joint, you can see here, it's like this. One is the upper part which can move in two directions. So have you ever noticed, children, the hinge joint like a door which you are opening? Doors open and close. एक डायरेक्शन में बंद हुआ, ओपन हुआ एंड क्लोज हुआ. दे अलाउ द डोर टू बी क्लोज एंड ओपन, so they allow movement in two direction, when it's closing, when it's opening. So two direction only it's showing, that is they allow movement in two direction, right? The joints present in our elbow, you can see, elbow we can do like this, and our knee, आपका knee होता है पैर, lower leg you can move in one direction, means up and down. Okay, so this is the hinge joint. It shows the direction, means it's allow movement in two direction, backward and forward, as I told you with the example, backward and forward, or upward or downward. It can also be said that the movement is allowed only in one plane. This is hinge joint in our body provide more what? More movement than just the back and forth swing. Okay, they allow some rotation also. Finger joints are also example of the hinge joint. Is it clear to you, everyone? I hope it is clear to everyone. Next come pivot joint. Children, pivot joint, it's an example of neck. You can rotate your neck like this, you can bend your neck like this, and we can rotate also like this. So this is the example of pivot joint. In pivot joint, one bone is like a cylinder, and cylinder means long bone like a cylinder, here you can see, and next bone is like a ring. So the first bone, the end of first bone fix in the ring of second bone. Second bone forms like a ring like a structure, and the cylinder fits into this ring and rotate inside it. This is the reason that we can move our neck like this, we can move our neck like this, up and down also. So this is due to the pivot joint. Next comes the gliding joint. Gliding joint, children, it is the kind of joint that allows, basically this is the joint, kind of joint allow bones to glide. Glide करने का मतलब होता है एक दूसरे के ऊपर glide करती हैं, slip करती हैं, ठीक है, over one another, एक के ऊपर एक provide करती हैं glide करने के लिए, provide a slight movement. These bones basically have flat end and can move from side to side as well, बैक एंड फोर्थ, आगे पीछे हो सकते हैं. द जॉइंट इन द एंकल, आप एंकल में देखते हो, एंकल एंड रिस्ट, वी कैन मूव लाइक दिस एंड वी कैन मूव लाइक दिस, ऐसे ऐसे नहीं होता है, ठीक है, मूव लाइक दिस एंड वी कैन रोटेट लाइक दिस. ओके, एंकल, रिस्ट, these are the example of gliding joint. Here you can see this is the movement of gliding joint. It can move backward and move back and forth position also, and move can rotate also. Next come fixed joint. Fixed joint, I already told you, this is present in the skull, upper skull, except the jaw. Jaw is movable joint, rest these joints are fixed joint which cannot move. Now next comes movement of bones. It's very important, children, ki I told you that bones helps in the movement, but with the bones muscles also help in the movement of our body. How bones can help them to help us to move? Bones cannot move by themselves. They cannot move by themselves. They need help of someone else, and who someone else is helping them? That is muscles, right? So bones move with the help of muscles, right? Clear this thing. Bones takes help of muscle in the movement. Muscles are attached to the bones by a tissue is called tendon. अभी हमने पहले पढ़ा था cartilage पढ़ा था, and we have read about the ligaments and joints. Now here is tendon. हमने पढ़ा था two bones are connected with a strong elastic tissue that is called ligament. The bones where two bones are meet, that is called joint, and between the two bones joint there is a cushion like a structure that is called cartilage. Now here the bones and muscles are attached by a tissue or connected by a tissue that is called tendon. Four terms are there. Muscles work in a pair. Muscles अकेले work नहीं करती हैं, because once will stretch, the second will relax. So muscles work in a pair to produce movement, any sort of movement. One muscle contract का मतलब होता है सिकुड़ना. One muscle contract हुई, second relax होगी. Okay, so one muscle contract to pull the bones in one direction and the other contracts to pull the bone in opposite direction. Here you can see example. I have given one example, biceps and triceps ka. So once one bone will stretch, one muscle will stretch, so it's pull in one direction. इसको हमने इस direction में किया, so second क्या होती है, उसको opposite direction में stretch करती है और pull करती है. Muscle can pull the bones but cannot push them. They can pull, stretch कर सकती है, but they cannot push नहीं कर सकती हैं. Therefore muscle work in pair to produce movement. We can see example, just see your lower and upper arms, this, like if you are doing like this. I hope you can see my hand. So this movement. So when I am showing you this movement, just try to move this lower arm. When you are moving your lower arm up, जब आपने उसको up and down, bending your elbows, so this movement of your arm occurs due to the contraction and relaxation of the muscles. ये किस वजह से होता है? हमारी muscles के contraction and relaxation की वजह से. I am moving my hand. You can do like this. The muscles called here, this is the contraction and relaxation. The muscles called flexor contracts and pull the tendon to bend a joint. Here you can see. ये देख रहे हो आप, मसल्स जो हैं जो आपके टेंडन को क्या कर रही हैं? पुल कर रही हैं. दे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स एंड पुल द टेंडन टू बेंड अ जॉइंट को बैंड करने के लिए कर रही हैं. दे आर कॉल्ड फ्लेक्सर. व्हेन इट रिलैक्सेस, जब आप उसको रिलैक्स करते हो, व्हेन यू रिलैक्सेस इट, द अदर मसल्स कॉल्ड एक्सटेंसर, जो पुल करती है इन अनदर टेंडन टू स्ट्रेटन द सेम जॉइंट्स. आपने बैंड किया, सो हेयर द मसल्स इज कॉल्ड फ्लेक्सर. Once you open it, the muscles is called extensor, which makes it straighten. I hope it is clear. Flexor and extensor, right? So like we can say the muscles can work in a pair. Flexor and extensor are the pair of muscles that work together. Okay, next topic, the last topic of this chapter, that is X-ray. X-ray is basically, it is you must have seen X-ray. I have shown picture also here. You all must have seen that in X-ray they are taking a picture. You are standing here and that takes a picture of your bones. You can see the bones. You cannot see the flesh. So it is possible to see the image of bones in a living organism by using the radiation known as X-rays. X-rays, the basically name of the radiation, X-rays. X-rays, beta rays, gamma rays, these are the radiation by which we are taking pictures of these bones. So you must have observed a doctor when they are asking for the X-ray image. So they are just throwing some special rays, they are clicking one picture of by the special rays and they are taking out the X-ray, means the picture of your bones. These are the special rays which can pass through the soft tissues. हमारी body के soft tissues से वो निकल सकती हैं, but they cannot pass through the bones. So you have read, children, the opaque object. The opaque object make a shadow. Same with this, the bones are opaque object for them, so they cannot pass through them. So they reveals the nature of the bone. वो उस पेपर पर उस बोन की पिक्चर को रिवील कर देते हैं. Bones are seen as white shape against the black background, because black में से तो सारी वो रेस चली गई. Those were the tissues. And the bones shows bone can be seen on this paper, on this film in white color, right? Children, you must be knowing that this X-ray also can be used to detect the cracks in the metal and even airport for luggage inspection. अगर किसी metal में crack है या luggage में कुछ ऐसा metallic है, so that they can use this X-ray. So with this X-ray, this chapter is complete and the question answer will do in our assignment section. I hope this is clear to everyone. Thank you.